I will tell you in this video how to hide COD based on country. So I have already hide COD for a particular country, that is United States. You can see only prepaid options are available. Cash on delivery is not visible. So I will tell you how to set up this. So for this I am using advanced cash on delivery app. You can also use the same app from Shopify App Store. It's very easy to use and they also have their 24/7 support system. Once installed, then click on Advanced COD button. Then you need to click on Limit COD based on location configure button. So here you need to add your payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you have already added fee for cash on delivery, you can just toggle on this button and add your delivery method. So as of now, I don't need this, so I am toggling off this button. And then you need to go to the country and change the status to enabled. Select how to hide COD for this country. Then select your country. For example, I want to hide for United States, then I am selecting United States. Then save your changes. Now we will again test this on our online store. You can go to your online store and add products to the cart and just proceed to the checkout. And now we will fill state, that is California, and city San Francisco. Zip code. So here we can see only prepaid options are available. Cash on delivery is not visible for this particular country. So now I will change it to India and let's see if COD is visible. So here we can see cash on delivery is available for this particular country. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to hide COD based on country. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.